20,000 channels and nothing loads. I have been there. You pick a provider, they promise the world, and the moment the big match kicks off, you get a spinning wheel. After several days of real testing, I found some services that straight up ghost you after payment. Today I am sharing my actual top 3 picks, the ones that survived my tests. Let us get into it. Provider number 1, IPTV with box. This one surprised me. I tested it during a live Premier League match and a movie back-to-back, 0 freezes, crystal clear picture. The channel count is genuine and the streams actually held up during peak hours. The 3-month plan runs $34 USD, and the 12-month plan is just $55 USD, one of the best value ratios I have seen. Other plans exist on their site if you want more flexibility. One small note, payment options are limited, so if you rely on PayPal, double-check before subscribing. Still, for the price and stability combo, this is my number 1. Provider number 2, Kemo IPTV. I put this one through a Champions League semi-final, high stakes, peak traffic. It held steady the whole way through. Kemo is clean, well organized, and the support team actually responded within minutes when I had a setup question. The 3-month plan is $29 USD, and if you want 6 months, that is $36 USD. Those are the 2 main plans available. The only minor drawback, there is no 12-month option, so long-term planners will need to renew more often. But the reliability is genuinely solid. Provider number 3, Marinios IPTV. I tested this one during peak weekend hours watching a basketball game, and then a drama series. Both ran without a hiccup. The interface is beginner-friendly and setup took me under 5 minutes. The 3-month plan is $29 USD, and the 12-month plan is $63 USD, reasonable for what you get. The one light drawback, the VOD library, while large, updates a little slower than the competition. Still a strong pick. By the way, all my tests were done using Visiona, our completely free player available at visiona.tv on the App Store and Google Play. It makes switching providers seamless. My final verdict, number 1, IPTV with box, best value and rock-solid stability. Number 2, Kemo IPTV, reliable and fast support. Number 3, Marinios IPTV, beginner-friendly with solid streams. All 3 links are in the description and pinned comment. See you in the next one.